model 4224 glass cabinet. Basically, the dimensions are 42 inches across the front, 24 inches. The total unit is about 60 inches high. Working height from the grate to the top of the cabinet is about 23 inches. This is dual opening. It opens in the middle like the clamshell. It also has side door opening. 12 by 18 inches. So you can use it either way with small parts, large parts with the top open. This unit comes with a spring assisted back on the back of the cabinet. There's a place to hook the spring assist. It hooks here and down to the back braces. The back braces stick out a little bit so that it's stable when you open the top. The electrical is screw-on type. It's got one fixture for the LED light. The window is 25 by 10 plexiglass, and on the inside of the window there's a protected mylar shield which you can buy from us. They come 12 to the pack. Now, when you put your abrasive in, you can either put it through the front or the side door. We recommend glass bead, aluminum oxide, blasting garnet, and silicon carbide. We do not recommend sand because of the health hazard. When the material needs to be expended, there's a catch down on the bottom. Pop it, dump it into a bucket. Clamp it back up. There's all there is to that. This unit has a safety valve on the side. This is where you hook your air up from the foot pedal. The foot pedal sits down below.